Hello students, good morning once more. In your English class, I welcome for class ninth English. Today children, I am going to start you to tell a new story from your book, Supplementary. The chapter is number 2, Adventure of Toto. The story is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a well-known name in the world of story who has written so many attractive and very interesting story for children. So this is also one of them. This story is about a baby monkey who was named Toto. Toto once here is here are three characters, main characters. One is Toto itself, second one is grandmother, and third one is grandfather. And also the narrator. Four characters are here. And the narrator is a child. So the narrator narrates the story that once his grandfather, when once the narrator tells that his grandfather brought this monkey, baby monkey named Toto from a Tonga driver and for rupees 5. When he saw the monkey in Tonga, he thought that he is out of place there. So he brought him. He was a great lover of animals. So he also managed a zoo at home only. So there's quite different animals he was having in that home zoo. So he bought it also. Now when he took it home, grandmother was not liking the animals so much as grandfather was liking. So it was a great task to keep the presence of monkey with top secret. So they kept this monkey in a closet. In that closet there was hanging the blazer of narrator. They kept it there and closed it. The monkey was so mischievous, so naughty that it torn the blazer of the narrator and also scratched the uh, you know paint of the wall. So after some time they just disclosed the presence of Toto. Slowly and gradually grandmother accepted the presence of him. So meanwhile grandfather had to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension. Now because Toto was very mischievous, so he thought that he will take Toto also with him. So grandfather took a canvas bag and in that bag Toto was kept to take to Saharanpur. When grandfather was at the platform of Dehradun only, that time because Toto was trying to come out of the canvas and canvas was quite strong to him, so he made the bag roll in air and also it was rolling on the floor. So it became you know a scene. It created a scene. So many onlookers collected there to see what that Toto was doing. Meanwhile, when ticket collector came there and was asking about Toto, grandfather was not wanting to disclose that a monkey, baby monkey is in the canvas, but Toto was Toto, so he peeped that time only out of canvas bag and TT saw the face. When TT saw him, he grinned at TT and TT asked extra payment for monkey because this type of animals were not allowed to take with the passengers. So grandfather at last gave 3 rupees as penalty for Toto. Then they came back to home. One day Toto, when they saw that now Toto should be shifted to the stable, they kept him there, and grandfather went to check whether he is uh, adjusted there with the other animals or not. He saw that Nana, who was their home monkey, donkey. So monkey was sitting at the neck of Nana, the donkey, and was biting his ears, and Nana was quite disturbed. So, and one more incident of Toto is that once there was served pulao on dining table. Toto saw that the dish of pulao, and grandmother came that side. He threw the plate at the face of grandmother. When narrator's aunt came there, he also threw a glass of water at the face of aunt. So meanwhile, when grandfather came there, he took the plate of pulao and climbed the jackfruit tree, which was in their yard only. He took it, climbed that branch, and from there only he just threw that plate of pulao. As much as he could eat, he ate that, and after that threw from there only. The dish was just broken into pieces, and as he listened the breaking sound of the plate, he was chattering and he was grinning. At last, when he was just crossing, or has just crossed, when he crossed the limit of naughtiness, of mischievousness, grandfather at last decided to give him back to the same Tonga driver, and he gave him back for 3 rupees. So in this way, this story is telling us two things. One thing, that we should love animals, we should take care for them. Side by side, on the other hand, it also tells that some animals are quite difficult to tame and make them as pet. So on the whole, the story is giving us the theme of the story, basic theme is that we should love animals and we should keep or cooperate to make the balance in nature. Thank you. Have a nice day. In my another video, this is video number 1. In my another video, firstly I will tell you some main parts of the story in Hindi, then I will explain it from the book. Thank you.